Today is September 16, 2022, and I just received from Apple my iPhone 14 Pro. I am trading in my iPhone 13 mini, and I thought, since they're not making it anymore, might as well get a little bit bigger screen. This is this year's unique color, which is deep purple. I think the purple actually looks great. Typical packaging. There's the cable and quite possibly an Apple. Is there an Apple sticker? Let me take a look. Oh, there is. All right. And I also got the Elderberry case. This is the silicone case, not the leather case. A little bit different in shipping, I noticed. Previous years, Apple would do overnight shipping direct from China for the pre-order phones. Um, this year, they shipped it out on the 11th. It went from China to Korea to Alaska to Kentucky, then to Texas. And the reason I got this phone, the Pro, is because of a few things actually. Number one would be the cameras. They have upgraded both the front camera. It's got a f1.9 wide aperture front camera, and also for the first time Apple has upgraded from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel in the rear camera. uh, this has got the island mode. I'm really curious about that. I think it has the potential to be really useful, and also has the satellite communication, which uses the service from GSAT. Well, unfortunately, all my GSAT call options expired worthless. That didn't really work out. Perhaps the service will be a little more useful. Um, so here it is, the brand new Apple iPhone 14 Pro.